Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse here on YouTube, and the channel we use to demonstrate and showcase our china that's being listed for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. There's a link in the description below if you'd like to have a closer look at all the measurements and find out more about these little demi-tasse coffee cups. Very familiar pattern to china enthusiasts. Chinese Rose, made by Copeland Spode. They're on the old RD marks. There we go. Chinese Rose was actually made on 2 RD registered number marks. These are the RD 629599. Chinese Rose with the England marks date these to early 20th century. They're in absolutely fine condition. Beautiful glaze reflection, as you can see here. Little demi-tassel coffee cups, so smaller than the standard teacups, which we do have available for sale. Nice little bit of inner wall decoration, as you can see there. All hand coloured, and the green rim enamel decoration and over the handle as well. Again, all hand applied by the decorators. So it's basically a brown and white transfer printed decoration, which is then hand coloured. Each one, as a consequence, is absolutely individual, but due to the skill in no part of these decorators during this period, they look almost identical, don't they? And a little demi-tasse coffee cup saucer, really fine little thing, beautifully conserved, really nice condition. Again, matching Chinese Rose England RD marks on the base. And just look at the glaze reflection if I can get the light on it. There, look, just a very occasional little mark across it, but very, very clean. And the rims on these are absolutely mint, in superb condition. Got a few of them going on sale that came in a coffee set, and we've got a very, very rare coffee pot, which could be used as a small teapot, to show you in just 1 minute, that's being listed and came in this particular collection. So do have a look when you reach the website on Chinese Rose Copeland Spode, and you should find that piece. Link description below will take you there to the listing for these demi-tasse cups. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.